Hello, my name is Matt, and I am the creator of NewGem Sushi Wraps. Did you know sushi refers to the rice and not the fish? Today, I'm going to show you how to make a very simple sushi rice recipe at home. For this recipe, you will need 2 cups of short or medium grain sushi rice, 2 cups of water, 1 cup of rice vinegar, a half a cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of mirin, and a half a teaspoon of salt. Additionally, you will also need a rice cooker and a large bowl. Let's start by making the rice. To start this process, measure out your rice and then rinse the rice 2 times. Drain the rice and place into the rice cooker along with 2 cups of water. Sushi rice is different than traditional rice. Always use a 1-to-1 ratio of rice to water when cooking it. After filling with rice and water, follow your rice cooker instructions and run for 1 cycle. Important tip: allow the cooked rice to rest for 20 minutes in the rice cooker on the keep warm setting. This will ensure that the rice has the right consistency and texture for making sushi rolls. Now, to make the sushi rice dressing. Combine the rice vinegar, salt, sugar, and mirin into a small saucepan and heat on low until everything dissolves. Let this solution cool until it reaches room temperature. You can also put the dressing in the fridge to speed up cooling times. Once the dressing is cooled and the rice is done, it's time to mix. Put the rice into a bowl and pour your dressing mix on top of it as demonstrated. Gently turn the rice to evenly dress each grain. After mixing, then cover the rice with a damp cloth until it cools to room temperature. And there you have it, a simple and easy way to make delicious sushi rice. Now get creative and make some sushi you've never tried before with NewGem Sushi Wraps. Check out our other videos to see sushi recipes using the rice we just made. Be sure to follow us on Instagram and Facebook and tag us with your own sushi creations. Again, I'm Matt, and thank you for your interest in NewGem Foods.